I always find it very interesting how much influence things like Google and social media have over people's mass ideas surrounding a subject. And you guys notice on the screen right now, I have searched crypto news. But heading into election season here, it's very interesting the search results that populate for crypto news. You're going to notice news about scams. Crypto is what shows up. Now, I don't believe that this is an accident. I do believe that this is to perpetuate the idea that cryptocurrency is a scam industry, that cryptocurrency should not be voted on one way or for one particular candidate out there, and I believe that this is trying to manipulate the idea or manipulate the mind of the masses into once again thinking that cryptocurrency is a bad idea. You guys see where I'm going with this, right? You understand it. Let's talk a little bit more about this in the video, and then we're going to be jumping into a pre-sale, a layer 2 blockchain that has already raised over $6.5 million and could set the stage for the next bull market. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro, and as you can see, we've got Pepe Unchained on the screen right now. And if at any time during this video you find yourself interested in buying, it is very easy. You're going to click that link in the description below or the pinned comment. You're going to click Connect Wallet here. I like to use Wallet Connect, scan this QR code that pops up on the screen, and then, of course, just determine how much you want to buy. If you want to grab 5 Ethereum worth, you're going to be walking away with 1,845,000 Pepe Unchained. And as a matter of fact, I did a video on it yesterday. Somebody bought $200,000 worth of Pepe Unchained. Guys, the whales are accumulating. People don't buy $200,000 worth of anything if they don't think that it's going to soar in value. All that guy has to do is 5x increase on his Pepe Unchained, and he's going to be walking away with $1 million. But first, before we go through what Pepe Unchained is and why I think it has so much potential, take a look at these headlines, right? Wisconsin unveils public tracker to combat crypto investment scams. Crypto scam tracker launched in Wisconsin amid rising criminal activity. China's crypto ban fails to stop scams. SEC backs down on these tokens as securities. Ripple CEO slams the SEC's hypocrisy and haphazard crypto regulation. As they should. Also in the news, you've got crypto proprietary trading firm Breakout raising $4.5 million, and insurance policies can now be paid for in crypto. I don't think that this is a coincidence, right? I didn't Google crypto scams or crypto news scams, but the first thing that pops up, I mean, you guys are smart enough to understand what's going on here. You've got people that are running for leadership here in the United States, some of them embracing crypto wholeheartedly and fully, saying that they're going to make the United States the hub for crypto and blockchain technology throughout the entire world. You've got others saying that crypto is for criminals. Now, who do you think that the influence is trying to go towards here, and who do you think that the influence is trying to benefit? Those that are saying cryptocurrency should be embraced and drive innovation, or those that are saying crypto is for criminals? When people Google crypto and they see nothing but association with criminals, they're going to believe that crypto is for criminals. Just like, one of the people running for president is trying to say. Once all of this nonsense stops, once retail begins to flow back into the cryptocurrency space, they're going to be going for the tiny little meme coins. I do believe that Pepe Unchained, a brand new layer 2 blockchain specifically built for meme coins, could soar beyond our imaginations. Now, I don't know if it's going to rise up just the same as Pepe did. I don't know if it's going to turn, tens of dollars into millions of dollars. I don't know exactly where the price is going to be. But what I do know is that right now, demand is there. And if this increase in demand continues into the bull market, Pepe Unchained could be one of the best performing layer 2 blockchains out there. Imagine if it did just a fraction as well as Pepe did. You could be seeing crazy high gains. So what is it? Right? Come over to the About section and you can see that it's the future of meme coins, a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course, memes. Pepe token powers the entire ecosystem, not the governance, not just one little aspect, not exclusivity, nothing like the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem scammers have done, where they come in and make you buy 50, 60 different tokens so that you can participate in each little niche of their ecosystem. No. Pepe powers the entire ecosystem. You're early enough to witness a new golden age of meme coins, with Pepe in his rightful place as king, and Pepe Unchained, layer 2, his kingdom. Guys, on top of it all, you can earn 294% annualized staking rewards. 294%, you're roughly 4xing your money if you were able to stake for an entire year at that rate. Now, go through, and you might want to understand how they can afford to pay those staking rewards. Well, 30% of the entire supply is set aside for those staking rewards. Only 20% go into the pre-sale. 20% to marketing, 10% to liquidity, 10% to project finance, and 10% to on-chain inventory. And these guys are not stopping there. They are growing very quickly out on X with 9,191 followers, and they're growing their Telegram account as well, where they already have 4,332 followers. Guys, Pepe Unchained is building more than just a token. They're building more than just a layer 2. They're building a community right now, and we know that that is the most important aspect to see your token grow. I'm excited about Pepe Unchained. The numbers are speaking for themselves right now. $6.589 million raised shows you that there is clear and evident demand at a time when, well, retail is nowhere to be found. When they decide to flow back in and they decide to buy Pepe Unchained, this price could soar so much higher. I want to know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.